Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to add a logo or picture to a form header in Microsoft Forms. In today's digital world, making your online forms stand out is crucial. Whether you're creating a survey, a feedback form, or a quiz, adding a logo or picture to the form header is a fantastic way to personalize and enhance its visual appeal. It not only makes the form look more professional, but also captures the attention of your audience right away. So if you've been wondering how to give your Microsoft Forms that extra bit of flair, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore exactly how you can achieve this. To begin, the first thing you need to do is head over to Microsoft Forms. If you haven't done so already, make sure you sign into your account. It's a straightforward process, but it's essential to have access to all your forms. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate and open the specific form you wish to enhance. This should be a form that's already been created and now requires your personal touch to make it stand out. With your form open, the next step is to find the form header section. This is typically the first area that grabs the attention of anyone viewing the form. Adding a captivating picture here can truly make a significant impact. Once you've pinpointed the header section, look for the option to insert an image. This is usually represented by a small picture icon. Clicking on this icon opens up a variety of choices for adding an image. Now, let's explore the different ways you can source images. First, there's the option to perform an image search using Bing. This is a simple way to find images that are available online. To do this, select the image search option, and then type in a keyword or the name of the image you're looking for. After you've entered your search term, click on the search button, and a range of image options should appear. Carefully browse through these options and select the image that best fits the theme and message of your form. Once you've found the right one, click on Add to insert it into your form header. This method is quick and ensures you're using images that are readily accessible online. Alternatively, if you have images stored in your OneDrive account, you can easily use those too. Simply select OneDrive from the available options after clicking on the Insert Image icon. Browse through your files until you find the picture you want to use. Once you've located it, click Add to place it in your form header. This is a great option if you have a collection of images already saved in your OneDrive. If neither of these options suits your needs, and you have a specific image saved on your personal device that you'd like to use, the upload option is perfect for you, and this will allow you to search through your device's storage. A Choose File to Upload dialog box will appear on your screen. Use this to navigate through your device, find the image you want, and then select Open to upload it into your form. And there you have it. Your form now boasts a personalized header with a logo or picture, enhancing its overall appearance and making it more engaging. This simple yet effective customization technique can transform your forms, making them not only look more professional, but also more inviting to those who view them. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to add a logo or picture to a form header in Microsoft Forms, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.